What's up, survivors? Welcome back to the channel. Recently, I've been seeing a lot of talk about a mobile-only method that claims to unlock extra AOZ coins and gold in Age of Origins. No PC, no mods, no complicated setup. At first, I was doubtful. If you play Age of Origins, you know resources are everything, and shortcuts usually come with a catch. But after seeing this method pop up again and again, I decided to test it myself and see what actually happens. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what I did, step by step, and then we'll check the final results together so you can decide if it's worth trying. The first thing you need is your user ID. You can usually find it in your profile or somewhere in the settings. It only took me a minute to find mine. I copied it and kept it saved for later. This step is simple and doesn't take much time. Next, I opened a browser on my phone. I'm using Chrome, but any browser will work. Then, I searched for the website people were mentioning. When the page loaded, there were no pop-ups or strange redirects. The site looked clean and normal, which I honestly didn't expect. Once I was on the site, I used the search bar to find the Age of Origins AOZ coins and gold hack. On the tool page, I selected my device type. I'm on Android, but iOS is available too. Then, I entered my player ID, double-checked everything, and tapped Continue to move forward. Then, it asked how many resources I wanted. Just to test it properly, I selected the highest amount. After confirming, a few progress bars appeared showing different steps being completed. Everything was clearly explained and easy to understand. Before it finished, there was a quick verification step. The instructions were clear so it wasn't confusing. I already completed that earlier, so let's skip straight to the results. To see if it worked, I jumped back into Age of Origins and checked my AOZ coins and gold. The extra resources were already there. No restart, no waiting. Everything updated instantly, which honestly caught me by surprise. Based on my test, the method worked exactly as described. The steps were easy, the site worked well on mobile, and the whole process was simple as long as you follow everything carefully. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tests and reviews. And if you've already tried this yourself, leave a comment and let me know how it went. I read all of them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.